Hello everyone, this is my review of the Cantu Sea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Mist. You can use this product to hydrate your hair to give it a good shine. My sister likes to use this when she is curling her hair or even when she does waves. It's a really good product. Like it says, you can leave it in. You lightly damp your hair, then you spray this in and mix it in, and it makes your hair nice and shine. It does smell a little odd though, but you can cover that up with some perfume or some fragrance, so that's really not a problem. But it works all day, so I highly recommend this product, and I hope this review helps.